Hey guys, today I'll be opening this Volt blister pack. There's a Volt promo code card for you guys. That was Metagross coin. 3 packs. Okay. We'll start with the Ninetales. Alright, so we got Fire Energy, Enhanced Hammer, Aqua Patch, Marini, Slowpoke, Agumi, Rockruff, Talo, Nosepass, Sliggoo. Oh, sweet! Tapu Lele GX Full Art. Well, this made my pack already. The next pack. Cool card. Got an Energy, Slowbro, Energy Recycler, Machoke, Litwick, Fletchling, Carvanha, Barboach, Clefairy, Gligar. Oh my god, guys! Tapu Koko GX Secret Rare. Wow. Final pack. Cool card. We got Energy, Beware, Brooklet Hill, Slowbro, Cottony, Lowland Sandshrew, Stuffle, Tentacool, Helioptile, Jamo, and Nasazo. Well guys, this is my best blister ever. A Tapu Lele GX Full Art and Tapu Koko GX Secret Rare. Well guys, thanks for watching. Till next video.